Hi, I'm Brooke Wallace filling in for Max Brantley with your Arkansas Times News headline updates for Wednesday, April the 4th. The Arkansas Supreme Court has denied Secretary of State Mark Martin's request that the High Court force Circuit Judge Alice Gray to make a ruling on whether to block the state's voter ID law well in advance of April 6th. Gray has said she will rule before April 6th, when the Secretary of State must deliver ballots to military voters out of jurisdiction and overseas citizens voting by absentee ballot. A public interest lawsuit with Barry Haas as plaintiff and Jeff Priebe as his attorney asked Gray to enjoin use of the state's new voter ID law in the primary election set for May the 22nd. Orrin Parris III, president of Ecclesia College in Springdale, pleaded guilty today to fraud ahead of a trial scheduled to begin on Monday, the Northwest Arkansas Democrat-Gazette reported. Federal prosecutors allege that Parris paid kickbacks to former state senator John Woods and former state representative Micah Neal in return for general improvement fund grants to the college. Neal pleaded guilty to a conspiracy count in early 2017. Parris was scheduled to go to trial next week alongside Woods and Randall Shelton, a consultant who prosecutors say served as pass-through for the kickbacks. Justin Jones, a Libertarian candidate for state representative in Northwest Arkansas, is suspending his campaign after a controversy erupted over bigoted remarks regarding gay people. Jones made the announcement late yesterday on his Twitter account. Jones opened his personal Facebook page. The likelihood of a fag catching HIV is 1,000% more likely than any straight person, and wrote, "Fags are disgusting." A sentencing date in federal court for former Republican State Senator Jake Files has been scheduled for June the 18th. Files pleaded guilty in January to charges of wire fraud, bank fraud, and money laundering. He resigned from the state Senate after his plea, but stayed on the state payroll as an admitted felon for a little more than over a week. Files' plea related to misuse of General Improvement Fund money appropriated by the legislature and pledging a forklift he did not own as collateral for a $56,700 bank loan. Files admitted to misdirecting more than $25,000 in taxpayer money for a sports complex his construction company was supposed to build and pocketing gift funds for personal purposes. He is currently free on bond. Well, that's all your news headlines for today. You can read more on the Arkansas blog. Thank you and see you tomorrow.